Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to fix Too Good To Go app not working on a device. Now if you are facing the problem of Too Good To Go app not working on a device, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to fix the Too Good To Go app not working on a device, make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection or any kind of mobile data on a device. So if you have a strong Wi-Fi connection and if you have a strong mobile data and it's still not working, then you may simply click on the option of airplane mode. Now by clicking on the option of airplane mode, it simply helps you to fix the network error which are happening on a device. So it will help you to fix it like this. So if that helps, that's good. If that doesn't, then you need to simply open the app store on a device and you need to search for Too Good To Go. So it helps you. So after searching Too Good To Go, check if there is any update available. So if there is any update available, you need to click on the option of update to update the app. So by not updating, it may also become such kind of errors and messy to use the app. So if that helps, that's good. If that doesn't, you need to open settings on a device and click on the option of general, and under general you'll see the option of iPhone storage. So click on it. So under here you need to scroll down until you find the option of Too Good To Go. After finding Too Good To Go, you need to click on the option of Too Good To Go, and here you'll see the option of offload app. So you may simply click on the option of offload app. So by offloading the app, it helps you to fix the errors or bugs which are happening on your app and helps you to resolve all the errors which are in your app. So that's it. That's how you can fix not Too Good To Go app not working on a device. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.